Suppose they somehow land. Now comes the real enemy, the continent itself. Deserts, mountains, swamps, snow. Every mile different, every region hostile. The Rockies slice the West in half. The Mississippi floods its plains. The Appalachians twist the East into endless ridges. Each barrier splits armies and burns fuel. Even U.S. convoys need weeks to cross in peace. In war, it'd be hopeless. The Great Plains look flat, but they're open exposure. Nowhere to hide from drones or jets. The deserts kill engines with heat. The winters break them with ice. Nature doesn't just slow invaders, it starves them. No refuel points, no factories, no friendly locals. Every state line becomes another front, and that's before you count the 330 million people already living here, most of them armed. Here's something no invader wants to hear. America has more guns than people. 390 million firearms, 120 for every 100 citizens. That's not an army. That's 50 million potential militias. From Maine to Montana, from Texas to Alaska, every home could be a stronghold. There are 15 million licensed hunters, more than most nations' militaries. That's why the Japanese Admiral Yamamoto supposedly said, "We could never invade America. Behind every blade of grass is a gun." Even if the US military fell back, the population wouldn't. They know their terrain. They stock ammo like winter food. It would become the largest guerrilla war in human history. Afghanistan bled superpowers dry with a few 100,000 rifles. America would fight with hundreds of millions. But even getting close enough to test that is almost impossible, because the sky sees everything. An invasion needs secrecy, but secrecy died decades ago. Satellites track every ship, every plane, every thermal signature. Drones hover for days, radar blankets both oceans. In 1991, US satellites spotted tanks hiding under sand. Today they can read license plates from orbit. A fleet crossing the Pacific would be a glowing trail of metal, detected weeks before launch. And when spotted, it would be met by carriers, submarines, and bombers long before reaching Hawaii. You can't sneak an invasion across a planet covered in sensors. So instead of sneaking, enemies look for a shortcut to break America from within before anyone lands. If anyone ever hopes to invade, they'll start digitally. Cyber attacks, kill the grid, crash the stock market, scramble GPS and air traffic systems. One EMP blast and cars stall, planes drop, power dies. Suddenly, 21st century America turns 19th. Then comes disinformation, fake news, fake outrage, fake enemies. Turn neighbors into rivals. Distract the country while you move your pieces. That's the new invasion plan. Because dividing 330 million minds is easier than crossing 5,000 miles of ocean. And if that fails, the only cards left are doomsday ones. Weapons meant to end everything, not win anything.